morning? Nakapag-stretch po ba kayo ng both arms and legs? Kasi itong next performances natin talagang papakapit kayo ng matindi. So, ready na po ba kayo? Orong nag-break lang, humina ni boses. Ready na po ba ang lahat? Ladies and gentlemen, it is our pleasure to introduce our first guest performers for tonight's concert. Please join us in welcoming the talented students of the Philippine High School for the Arts, or PHSA. The Philippine High School for the Arts is a premier high school in the country, offering specialized education in the arts. The school has produced many of the country's top artists, musicians, and performers. The PHSA, under the baton of their esteemed conductor, has performed in numerous local and international competitions, showcasing their exceptional vocal talent and technique. They are known for their beautiful harmonies, expressive performances, and dedication to preserving Philippine music and culture. Tonight, they will perform a selection of Filipino folk songs and contemporary pieces that will surely delight and inspire you. Ay Kalisud. Let's start with a traditional Filipino folk song that will surely lift your spirits. Please join us in singing and dancing to the lively rhythms of Ay Kalisud, an arrangement by Maler Villanueva. Performing the song, let's welcome Luis Francis Aguado and Aldren Jan Piñon on trumpets, Cody Clyde Danao on alto saxophone, Franz William Tarang on clarinet, and Ram Rangeline Zabala on euphonium. Let's give them a warm round of applause.